Hello guys, this is Universalist FX, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my expectation on Euro USD before the FOMC news release. As you can see, um, the time right here, this is New York time, okay? So um, I'm going to be talking about my expectation on Euro USD. This is the daily time frame, and part of my analysis or expectation on Euro USD for sell side has played out according to how I predicted them. You can check out my previous video about my expectations for Euro USD, GBP USD, and DXY. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to be talking specifically about Euro USD. All my sell side analysis has come to pass. I was expecting for these relative equal lows to be taken, okay, and did that right here, and for price to go here. I wasn't really 100% expecting this. Okay, I was just mostly expecting this, but I was also looking for this to be filled up, this fair value gap right here, to be filled up before I can actually be very, very confident to actually buy up into this fair value gap. Okay, because that is where I'm expecting the sell side continuation to come in Euro USD. Remember, we are predominantly in a downtrend in Euro USD. Okay, the path of least resistance in Euro USD is to the downside. Okay, and there's something I want to let you guys know. Okay, before FOMC, there are actually certain things you need to actually um, bear in mind before you can actually trade FOMC news releases adequately. Okay, one of the things you have to actually need to watch out for is liquidity. That is one thing that actually um, look for, and another thing they look out for, you should look out for is SMT divergence. Okay, SMT divergence, okay, and for price to actually enter into your key levels. Okay, so those are the two things I'm actually looking out for. So you can see what is going on here on Friday. um Friday right here, price actually took out the relative equal lows right here, and here is we have Monday what's it called, information. I remember, like I said in my previous video, I said I'm going to expect a very, very long range. Okay, like a very, very long range, like price is going to consolidate for a period of time, okay, before we can actually see. And that is very, very typical during what's it called, weeks or the days before FOMC news release. Okay, okay guys, so my expectation for this FOMC news release, remember, one of them is liquidity and the second one is SMT divergence, and you can actually see one of them playing out right here. Okay, here um today is Wednesday, and I expect for the FOMC news release to actually take out liquidity from the previous day's low, this low right here, okay, and fill up this gap completely. Okay, and I'm actually eyeballing um um the 1.100 level, 100 level. Okay, that's the level I'm actually eyeballing. 1.0100. Okay, that's the level I'm actually eyeballing. That is the high of this candle behind the volume candle, okay, which denotes the lowest part of the fair value gap right here. So I expect price to take a liquidity from Tuesday's low, right? Okay, and then for price to go down a little probably, and then move up into this fair value gap, coming into um yeah next week, yeah, then probably from ending of next week and next 2 weeks, you can actually begin to see the reversal back down. Okay, so you can see what price is doing right here. Price is actually going for the liquidity lying below yesterday's low. Yeah, that's where my eyes is right now, yesterday's low. So I expect yesterday's low to be attacked. Okay, and you can actually see these very, very clean lows right here and these levels here. So I expect price to really come down to this level. Okay, and then find find okay, let us go to the 3 hours time frame, because that's actually okay, very good. So the fair value gap that was lied marked up on the daily time frame. You can see it here. So this was yesterday's low. I expect it to be taken today. Okay, and for price to respect this the low of that fair value gap and the 3 hour order block right here. Okay, but most times during FOMC news release, we can actually see a very nice spike that can actually like stop hunt the relative equal lows here, and they really look tempting. So I really expect for price to probably just either key off from the open price of this order block here, or really go as far as stop hunting this order block here. But my ultimate aim is for this low right here not to be taken. Let me mark out the low at this level here. Okay, so the low at okay, let us call it the 10070 level. Okay, let me just mark it as that. Okay, let us leave it in round numbers. Okay, so let us just leave it at that. I don't expect this low to be taken. So if price wants to take out liquidity from this other block, which I really don't expect, okay, because I just expect yesterday's low to be taken today during the FOMC news release, and for price to key off from this other block right here, where we can see that there are some sort of relative equals right there. Okay, so price might really go down below the other block, but I really expect this other block to be respected. Okay, and price should actually key off from that level there. Okay, this is actually my expectation for price to key off from this level here and actually move to the buy side, because everything sell side has been handled. And again, I want to point your attention to something. This is some sort of um okay, this is, you can see that this is a range, right? This is a range, and you can see what price has been doing since. Okay, this is a range, and now we can actually call this an accumulation. Okay, an AMD pattern accumulation manipulation to the downside. Okay, so let us call this our accumulation phase. Accumulation. Okay, this range here, calling it my accumulation. Okay, and when price goes to the downside, that is manipulation, because that is not their real move. They're actually manipulating traders to actually go down, and many traders are actually expecting for price to really go down in Euro USD, and for dollar to actually be bullish because of the interest rates hike expectation. Okay, the 75 basis points interest rate hike expectation in dollar. Okay, that's the reason why many people actually like expecting for price to really go up in the dollar and for Euro USD to sell off. But for now, I actually expect for Euro USD to sell off to this level and then potentially buy during the news and for some days. Okay, then probably from next week, middle of next week, you can actually begin to look for continuation from the fair value gap, the daily fair value gap. And I'm really eyeballing this level right here, the 1.03600 levels. Okay, that is the level I'm actually looking for price to really go to. Consider price really coming down to clear the liquidities resting below here, and it will surely do that. All right, that's my expectation for Euro USD